Hi, got another unboxing video, and this time it is July's edition of the Pip Box. So this is a brand new box to my channel. I've never ever had one before, and this is what it looks like. Gorgeous packaging, really lovely packaging. So if you're new to the Pip Box, I will give you a bit of a lowdown about what it is. So the Pip Box is a subscription box. It's a monthly subscription box that you can cancel any time. It costs £20, and that includes free postage and packaging to the UK. It's a cruelty-free and vegan-friendly box. Each box contains around 5 beauty items. They can be a mix, and the contents always come to a minimum of £45 or more. So I was recently contacted by the owners of the Pip Box and asked if I'd be interested in reviewing their box in exchange for a video review. So I jumped at the chance. A few of you have mentioned the Pip Box to me, and it's been a box that I would like to try. I like the fact that the name comes from the owner's dog, Pip, and that gave inspiration to create this box. It's cruelty-free box. So for every box that I sold, 50p goes to the charity Animal Free Research UK, which is lovely. This box was also featured in LUK Top Beauty subscription boxes and seen in the Evening Standard top 10 beauty boxes, so it's a well-known box. So let's open it up and see what I received. Okay, the packaging is just lovely, really nice. There's a few little leaflets there which I'll pull out. The first little card, it just says, "Hi, thank you for reviewing our Pip Box edit this month. We hope you love it. Feel free to share this code with your followers. It will save them 10% off their first Pip Box," and it's save 10, and it says, "Thanks the Pip Box team." So I will link that down below there, so if you're interested, take a look down below. Then there's a little leaflet here, and it contains everything that is inside this box, and on the back here it says what it is and the price, which is good as well. So I always like to find out what the cost is for the whole box, just give an idea of the value of the box. So this is the packaging. It is beautiful. I really love it. So what's this here? Earn Pip points for every box you buy and redeem them for Pip vouchers. Head to the pipbox.co.uk loyalty scheme to find out more information. Okay, there's another leaflet there. So this is about a product featured in the box, Organic Sun. So I'll just put that to a side. And that's the contents of the box. The first item is the product that's featured on this leaflet. So this is Green People Organic Lifestyle, and it's their sun care range, and it's Edelweiss Sun Lotion, Natural Tan Accelerator, non-irritating, non-greasy, 87% organic, water repellent, SPF 15 medium, and suitable for sensitive skins. And this is in a 30ml tube. So the little booklet here, there's use code PIPBOX20 to save 20% off on the actual website here that you can buy these products. There's a lot more skincare products available by this brand, so I will link the brand's website, and I'll link the 20% code off down below, so if you're interested, take a look there. But the box info, it says that this is Green People Organic SPF 15 Sun Lotion, 3 layers of natural sun protection, UV filters, antioxidants and suntan accelerator. Recommend retail price is £6 by greenpeople.co.uk. So that's quite nice. I like the fact that it's non-greasy as well, so definitely something to put on my face. SPF 15 is very low for me. I tend to not go below a 30, really. Maybe in the winter I'll use more like 20, something like that, but for 15, I think from day to day, I think having that as a makeup base is good, but for my body it's a little bit low. But then I suppose it depends on how often you apply it, and yeah, so, but that's my personal choice. But I think it sounds like a really nice brand. What does it smell like? Hands is another thing, isn't it? I don't know about you, but whenever I'm applying suntan lotion, especially to the kids, I am more aware now that I've read somewhere, don't forget your hands, because it's common sense really. You cover all your skin in suntan lotion, whatever is bearing to the sun, you cover it, but I don't always do hands. I go like that, but never that. But then I'm a moly person, I've got moles there, so it's silly. So I think I will pop that in my handbag and just use that as and when, basically. So the next item is a pair, oh my gosh, it's a pair of eyelashes, and it's Betty lashes. Now, if you've been following me on YouTube since the beginning, since last year when I started, Oh my gosh, I love these lashes, and these are the ones I bought, Betty lashes. The reason why is because TK Maxx was selling a load of these for a couple of pounds, about £3–4, something like that. And because they're normally around, I think, £6, £7, I don't know what the card says here. Yeah, recommended retail price is £6, and I just love them. They're not as fluffy and soft as some lashes, but look at them. They are perfect for my eyes. If you've got small eyes, if you're an eyelash trimmer like myself and you like this elongated look, you will love these Betty lashes. Oh, I love them. I really love them. Oh, I can't believe they're in here because I haven't had any for a long while. So this is by the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and this is Betty false eyelashes. These are the ultimate lashes to create almond-shaped eyes. You can reuse them up to 4 times, but you can get 25% off anything, I'm assuming, from the Vintage Cosmetics Company using the code the Pip Box 25, and the recommended retail price for this is £6. I love this. I love this. Specifically these ones as well, the Betty ones, because those are the ones I used to buy a lot of. So no chuff for that. The next item is something small. What is this? Ooh, ooh. Matcha BB powder, SPF 15 BB powder. I don't think I've ever heard anything like that before, or tried anything. And it's by Peony. Botanical Nutritious Colour. It's a weightless BB powder that enables you to create a lustrous, flawless finish while protecting your skin with broad spectrum SPF. And it's got a 3 UVA rating on the back there. Oh my gosh, is this a sample or is this the actual size? I'm not sure. But that's what the outer packaging looks like anyway. I'll open it up now. The packaging is absolutely adorable, and it's in shade light, which is good. And that's what that looks like there. Can't see it, but I'm just trying a little bit on my hand. Oh, it feels weird. It feels really nice, and it's absorbing into my skin well. Yeah, it's got like a finish, like a cream-based product. That is really odd. The recommended retail price for this is £16.99, so I'm assuming this is a full-size product. A talc-free weightless BB powder that enables you to create a flawless finish while protecting your skin with broad spectrum SPF. Oh my gosh, oh, I'm really excited to try that. Really different. No, I like that. Next item. Oh, we got a beauty sub box familiar. It's Ritzy, what is it? It is an eye pencil. So we've had quite a few of these in different sub boxes. If you are a sub box addict like myself, you will know what I mean. Mainly, I think Ritzy is with Pink Parcel, Betty Box. Who else has Ritzy? I think maybe Glossy Box has had a few Ritzy products as well. I can't remember now. But this is an eye pencil in black. So that's what that's like. Now I've had a few eyeliners, and I've had a navy Ritzy eye pencil. I'm not sure actually if I've had a black one. I've had a load of black liquid liners, but I'm not sure if I've had a Ritzy black one. But I wear black a lot. I use it to connect my liquid eyeliner underneath my eyes, use it to line my waterline and everything. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, nice and soft, quite pigmented. No, it's quite a nice product. So what does it say? Ritzy black eye pencil. Recommended retail price for this is £15. There's also a 15% off code with PIP15 on Ritzy.com, and it says dramatic and bold eye pencil designed for a flawless application. So no, quite nice. I've got a few black eyeliners at the moment, but I will add to the collection. I will use it. I tend to use a mixture. I do have my favourites. So no. That's that then. And the last item then is, and this is a sample of something. I like the packaging. It's like Little Mermaids. What is it? The original makeup eraser sample. Ah, yes, I've seen this. This is the cloth. It's the cloth. It's the original cloth, isn't it? The #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. And makeup eraser and mermaids. Both are magical and only require water. So that's what that looks like there. So I'm assuming this is like a set. You would buy this in a set. because this is just a sample and it's one, but it says makeup eraser will erase all your makeup with just water. Erases mascara, eyeliner, blush, foundation and more, including waterproof and smear-proof makeup. Reusable, washing machineable, will last 3 to 5 years. I love these. I think I've got a few of those magic tone ones, and they are fab. They get rid of waterproof mascara. The worst mascara I have is Benefit Bad Girl Bang. That is a nightmare to get off my eyes. I hate getting it off. I love wearing it, but I absolutely hate getting it off. So I don't wear it that often unless I'm going somewhere all day and I don't want to wear eyelashes, but I want thick black looking lashes, then I'll wear it. But the cloths do get it off, but they stain the cloths like anything, really badly. It takes a few washes to get the actual waterproof mascara off, but I've never tried this one. So what's the information say here? So this is a makeup eraser mini travel cloth. Take the test and see how easy it is. Mini cloth removes all your makeup with just water. There's 10% off with code PIP10 on makeuperaser.co.uk, which I'll link down below, and the recommended retail price for this one is £5. Packaging is so cute, look at that. Oh my gosh, that is tiny. It is a really small one. That is the size of my palm and my hand. Oh my gosh, that is really small. I suppose that it's a mini travel one, isn't it? So this is a sample. It's just to show you what it's like and what it does, and it says that it can fray, but the actual full size, it has a satin finish, so that wouldn't fray. But it says here, dear future customer, we are so excited that you have been chosen to take the Makeup Eraser Challenge. By the end of this experience, your heart should be set on a new makeup removal system. Use an eco-friendly product that only requires water, lasts you 3 to 5 years, and helps save landfills of wipes and cotton balls. Together we are changing the way the world removes makeup. We hope you love Makeup Eraser as much as we do. We guarantee Makeup Eraser changes your removal routine or your money back. Happiness, 100% happiness guarantee. And it's so, I'll just gather all the items together. So in July's box we've got 5 items and the total value comes to around £50. So £30 above the actual cost of the box. We've got a BB powder with SPF 15. We've got a travel size makeup remover or makeup eraser cloth. We've got some gorgeous false eyelashes, I'm so chuffed about them. And we have got a SPF, and it's a tan accelerator cream in SPF 15, and we've got a Ritzy black coal eye pencil there. I like the fact that they are a little bit different. It feels like a different box to what I usually get. I know I get beauty items, I know I get a mix of makeup, skincare and everything, but it just feels a little bit different. I personally can't afford to spend an extra £20 a month at the moment getting a subscription of this value, but it's definitely one I think I would return to and get now and again as a special treat for myself. I think it's really lovely, really nice. So what are your thoughts? Do you get the Pip Box? I'd love to know what you think, and whether you've had it and you don't anymore, or if you want thinking about getting it. I'd love to know your thoughts. I also love the packaging, the actual little box, and yeah, it's really cute. I really like it. So thank you, the Pip Box, for sending it to me. I really appreciate it. I've got some lovely items and I'll definitely be using them. So I hope you like this unboxing. If you did, as always, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I think I've only got one more unboxing of the month, and that is my Feel Unique samples box, and that's coming up in the next couple of days at some point, but there you go. I think that's it for July. A few beauty videos maybe, and a Primark haul if I can fit it in, we'll see. So I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.